CheyTac M200 Intervention, inside the world's deadliest sniper rifle. It doesn't just reach out and touch someone, it erases them from 1.5 miles away. In the shadows of modern warfare, one rifle casts a long and terrifying silhouette, the CheyTac M200 Intervention. Combining precision, raw power, and cutting-edge technology, the M200 is not just another sniper rifle. It is an extreme-range weapon system capable of neutralizing threats from distances that defy belief. But what exactly makes this rifle one of the most feared and respected long-range weapons ever developed? Who built the CheyTac M200? The CheyTac M200 Intervention was designed and manufactured by CheyTac USA, a firearms company based in the United States. Its origins can be traced back to the EDM Arms Windrunner, a long-range rifle platform created by William R. Wordman, which CheyTac later refined into a full sniper system. CheyTac's vision wasn't just to build a powerful rifle, it was to engineer a comprehensive sniper system that includes the rifle, custom ammunition, and advanced targeting technologies. This level of integration sets the M200 apart from virtually every other sniper rifle in existence. Design and construction engineered for dominance. The CheyTac M200 is a bolt-action sniper rifle with a skeletonized chassis, meaning it's built with strength and function in mind while minimizing excess material. This skeletal design reduces overall weight, improves cooling, allows for modular attachments. The rifle features a folding stock for easier transport, an integrated bipod and monopod for stability, and Picatinny rails for optics, lasers, or night vision systems. Key specifications: caliber, .408 CheyTac, with optional .375. CheyTac, weight approximately 31 lbs, 14 kg. Length, 53 inches, stock extended. Effective range, 2,500 plus yards, 2,086 plus meters. Action, manual bolt action. This rifle isn't meant to be light or easy to carry. It's a dedicated long-range weapon, purpose-built to eliminate high-value targets or disable equipment. From extreme distances. The .408 CheyTac cartridge, precision with brutal impact. What makes the M200 truly deadly is its ammunition. The rifle is chambered for the .408 CheyTac, a purpose-built cartridge that merges the best aspects of two worlds: the flat trajectory and high velocity of smaller calibers like the .338 Lapua, the penetrating power of heavier rounds like the 50 BMG. Why the .408 CheyTac is lethal: ballistic coefficient, BC, exceptionally high, meaning better stability and less wind drift. Kinetic energy, over 5,000 FTLBs, capable of penetrating armor or disabling light vehicles. Supersonic range, remains supersonic past 2,000 meters, where most bullets slow down and destabilize. This bullet doesn't just hit the target, it crushes it with precision and continues to carry destructive force well beyond traditional sniping ranges. Advanced ballistics system, smart shooting at long range. Unlike traditional rifles, the M200 is part of the CheyTac long-range precision rifle system. This includes ballistic computer, laser rangefinder, weather sensor kit, custom ammunition. The rifle uses the CheyTac Advanced Ballistic Computer, ABC, which integrates with meteorological data and range-finding tools to calculate bullet drop, wind drift, Air density, humidity and temperature, Coriolis effect, Earth's rotation. This system dramatically increases first shot hit probability, allowing the shooter to engage targets up to 2.5 kilometers away with confidence. Unmatched. Accuracy and range. At its core, a sniper rifle is defined by accuracy, and the CheyTac M200 has some of the best in the world. It delivers sub-MOA accuracy, less than 1 inch of deviation at 100 yards, and maintains that accuracy at extreme ranges. Real-world performance, effective at over 2,500 yards. Grouping recorded within 7 inches at 2,100 yards during testing. Accuracy surpasses many military-issue .50 BMG rifles. For context, at 2,000 plus meters, most rifles would struggle to hit the side of a building. The M200 can hit a man-sized target in a single shot. Who uses the CheyTac M200? Despite its incredible performance, the M200 is not a standard issue weapon due to its high cost and training requirements. It's primarily used by US Special Operations Forces, limited use, Polish GROM, Singapore Armed Forces Special Units, private military contractors, elite law enforcement sniper teams. Its role is not just to kill, it's to control territory, deny enemy movement, and apply psychological pressure. Knowing that you're under threat from a sniper who can shoot from 2 kilometers away creates operational paralysis. Fame in pop culture. The M200 Intervention gained international fame due to its appearance in Shooter 2007 film, used by Mark Wahlberg's character. A Call of Duty, Modern Warfare series, a fan-favorite sniper, Ghost Warrior, featured as a top-tier weapon. This exposure has turned the M200 into a legendary weapon in the eyes of gamers and gun enthusiasts alike, contributing to its mystique and reputation. Drawbacks and limitations. Even the deadliest rifle in the world has its downsides.
And that thicker material is helping.
The main cons, weight and size. At over 30 pounds, it's heavy and hard to move with. Cost. The rifle, ammo and fire control system are extremely expensive. Skill barrier. Requires expert training to use effectively. Niche role. Best for stationary, long-distance engagements, not urban or mobile warfare. This makes it unsuitable for general infantry use and more of a specialist tool. Comparison with other sniper rifles, you can look at this image. The M200 Intervention dominates in extreme range and bullet energy, though it loses out in portability and multi-role use. Conclusion: why the CheyTac M200 is the deadliest. The CheyTac M200 Intervention isn't just a rifle, it's a complete high-tech weapon system capable of neutralizing threats from beyond 2 kilometers. With unmatched accuracy, powerful custom ammunition, and an integrated fire control system, it has no equal in its class. While it may not be the most practical weapon for every scenario, when deployed by trained marksmen in the right conditions, it becomes a force multiplier, a silent, surgical and psychological weapon of war. It's not just the most dangerous sniper rifle, it's a symbol of what happens when science meets silence and range meets ruin.
Hazırsanız atışımı yapıyorum.